up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the cab of the service truck. What are we working on today? All right, so we've got an old Great All, basically JLG G943 that we're going to go ahead and put a tie rod on. It'll look just like that when it's all done. All right, starting out the morning, we got the old broke-ass lineman cloud out. Got the torches out. This guy right here. We're already getting the old chain wrench in position. Do this old tie rod action. Hopefully this one comes out just as easy as the other one. There you guys go. So you get yourself a chain wrench, hang it somewhere on the frame, axle, whatever, and then you're onto the side with a big old pair of adjustables, and with enough heat, you can pretty much get that broken free. There's Loctite on the inside there. I use blue Loctite to put it back in because I don't hate my life. All right, the trick is really simple, guys. Just get it to the point where that boot starts smoking and maybe even melting. Do not heat that area right there up unless you want to seriously knock out everybody within a 10-mile radius. That shit is rank, bro. But after that, smooth as silk. Easy to break loose. And there we go, got it all removed here. A little floppy, a little bit. Ball joint was getting there. Boot's all blown out. So all you really want to do, take a minute, hit some brake cleanup in there, get rid of all the old Loctite that's in there. Shoot a little bit of the blue Loctite on the new one. Red if you really hate your life and if you ever have to go back out and do it. There is a torque spec for all these, but to be dead honest with you, it's like 360 foot-pounds, and if you have the correct wrenches and the ability to torque it down, it's there for you. But for the most part, just the old big-ass adjustable. Stand on it if you have to. Get it as tight as possible. Blue Loctite should hold it in place. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Watch the cylinder. Don't get it too hot. You'll blow the seals. All right, boys. So everything on the planet's got a torque spec, right? A little blue Loctite on the lock nut for the old tie rod end. And get your 1/2 inch gun. This will suffice. 1 5/8 nut. And put it all the way down. Like any tie rod job in the automotive world, you can count the threads here. So roughly I've got about 6.5 threads exposed there. Got our jam nut loosened up. You can tell we're a little bit more than that. So we're going to go ahead and loosen the jam nut, which it already is. And then we'll adjust this out so we get it the same as the other side. And everything should be pretty straight and square. I'm going to show you guys how they want you to do it versus what I did. So let's take a look. All right, so here's your disassembly right here. Again, this is for pretty much generic Dana axle. So you're going to go through all this, which you don't need to. A hammer will perfectly do fine. You don't need a special puller. But this is where I come back down to, which is right in here. These specialty wrenches they have, they are very thin, they're very small, and nowhere in this does it mention anything about heating it. Because you have to. Because, again, there's Loctite inside the threads of the cylinder. Now back to the install here. So apply Loctite to the threaded positions. And there you go, 430 foot-pounds or Newton meters is actually the torque on that, guy. So you guys can do the math out there. And you can see homeboy at the bottom here got a big old breaker bar in there, trying to torque that down 350 to 390 Newton meters. And also there is your media guide right there. You can get this all through SIS. So hopefully that helps you guys out. All right, we're back in the cab here. Hopefully you guys found this video informative. Like I said, this is not a really over-the-top technical torque specs and all that. This is how I do tie rods, and I've done way too many fucking tie rods. So, I mean, hopefully, again, you guys found this informative. It helps you guys out. If you have any questions, as always, hit me up on Instagram. Information is right there. Do what you guys always do. Like, share, subscribe. P-pump the world. I'll see you guys in the next video.